Caltech Owens Valley Radio Observatory. Authorized personnel only. Coronavirus alert. No visitors allowed. Well, I appreciate that. But I'm going to social distance. And I am going to come visiting. Deal with it.
Access granted.
Was a virtue in always being cool. So it came time to fight. I thought I'll just step aside, and at the time would prove you wrong. And with you would be the fool where the sun beams end and starlight begins. It's all a mystery. If it's not now, then tell me when would be the time she would stand up and be a man. For to lose I could accept, but to surrender I just wept and regretted this moment. Oh, but I don't know where the sun beams end and the starlight begins. It's all a mystery. When you're not prepared to face him. If I could, I would, but you're with him now, I do no good. I should have fought him, but instead I let him take where the sun beams end and the starlight begins. It's all a mystery. And I don't know.
The test is over.